In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a bank feed in QuickBooks Online. If your bank feed has gone quiet after a password change, a security update at your bank, or a timeout, don't worry. Reconnecting is quick, and it won't undo any work you've already done. Your previously batched and categorized transactions remain intact. Before we start, have your bank login details handy and be ready for any two-factor authentication your bank might require. Begin in your QuickBooks Online company. From the left navigation, open Accounting. This takes you to the heart of your books where your accounts and bank registers live. It's the right place to begin a reconnection because it leads directly to your bank feeds area. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the correct file before moving forward to avoid linking the wrong accounts. Next, look for the Link Account option. You'll typically see this on the banking page or near the bank tiles. Click Link Account to start the secure connection flow. This opens QuickBooks' banking connector, which is designed to guide you through adding or reconnecting your financial institution while keeping your data encrypted. In the search field, type the name of the bank account you have. Enter the exact institution name as it appears on your statements. If you see multiple results with similar names, choose the listing that matches your specific bank brand or region. Some banks show separate options for personal and business banking, or for credit cards and checking. Pick the option that matches the account you are reconnecting, so transactions land in the right place. From here, QuickBooks will prompt you to sign into your bank and verify your identity. Keep your phone nearby for any verification codes. If your bank asks you to approve data sharing, confirm it so QuickBooks can securely pull your recent transactions. To reduce duplicates, pay attention to any options about how far back to bring in activity. Aligning with the date your feed last worked is usually best. If you are unsure, you can keep the default and review for duplicates later. Once connected, give QuickBooks a moment to sync. New transactions will appear in the For Review tab, where you can match them to existing entries or categorize them. If you don't see the link account button or you get an access message, check your user permissions or confirm you're in the correct company file. And that's it. Open Accounting, select Link Account, and type your bank's name to reconnect. Let the initial sync finish. Then continue your normal review and categorization workflow. If an error appears, a quick check of your bank's website for alerts or maintenance often resolves it.